going on? I'm here with the team random. I'll take a live. It'll be the same dice roll for both. No snake eyes. Live. Time is 11:09 a.m. Sometime over here. No snake eyes. Same for both. 5 times. Not too difficult. Let's go. 2, 3, 4, 5. Justin on top, Grant on bottom. And 5.9 names. We're going to do this. Go 5 times. Begin the giveaway. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cleveland going to Justin Pratt. We know that much. St. Louis going to Grant. Not too shabby. Is that list? We're going to come over here. We're going to make this official. 11:10 a.m. Center time. Justin, Cleveland, Patrick, Miami, John, Angels, Gotti, Philadelphia, Adam, Baltimore, Rex, Mets, Kevin, Milwaukee, Daniel, Doyers, Rick, White Sox, Thomas, Pittsburgh, Grant, Detroit, Brendan, Tampa Bay, James, Cincinnati, Patrick, Texas, Grant, Seattle, Daniel, Atlanta, Jason, San Francisco, Houston, Terry, Yankees, Justin, Colorado, Bill, Boston, John, Minnesota, Barlow, San Diego, Terry, Cubs, Nationals, Chris, Arizona, Jeff, Oakland, Derek, Kansas City, Nate, Toronto, Grant, St. Louis. We'll take it. We are done. Appreciate it, everybody. Good luck tonight, 10 Eastern time.